Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I am back for Advent Day 2. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what it is. I gotta find Day 2. That's Day 3. This is Day 2. Look how pretty that is. It's very pretty. I'll remind you again. This is Day 1's. It's really pretty. So let's check out Day 2. Oh, here's these little hearts sitting in there. I hate tearing the tissue paper up. It's so pretty. Alright. Oh, this is really pretty. So, this is Day 2. That's gorgeous. So let me open it up. I can show you. That is like the other ones. It is an opening. Here. It is an opening stitch marker. I really like these. And I'm going to clip it on with Day 1. Should put it over here. So, I have Day 1 and Day 2. Right there. That's pretty awesome. I really like that. Thank you so much, Ellie. These are great. So, stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.